Hello everyone. Today is Monday, July 22nd, 2024. Welcome to my channel and subscribe to support. Thank you. AMC Entertainment and GameStop stocks have fallen for 3 consecutive trading days, and the trading volume of the two stocks has gradually shrunk, indicating that no big capital has entered these two stocks yet. So will these two stocks continue to fall or rebound? Technically, both stocks are currently in a downward trend. After the stock prices of these two stocks reached their recent highs, the trading volume has significantly increased. It seems that some big capital has cashed out at high levels and has exited the market. If the market no longer maintains the stock price, then the stock price will inevitably fall. But after the stock price fell for 3 days, did the price bottom out? Next, we will analyze each stock in detail. Let's first look at the 30-minute chart of AMC Entertainment stock. We can see that the stock generated a lot of trading volume at the last moment of the closing on June 28th, and the price was $4.77. The market began to strongly push up the stock price at this position, indicating that the market hopes to pull the stock price to a higher level, so this price should be a key support position. On the morning of July 18th, the market pushed the stock price up rapidly and strongly to $5.73, and then the stock price quickly retreated, and this action generated some large trading volumes. There is no doubt that the market encountered some resistance at this position, and some large capital may have withdrawn from the market here. We have verified this again from the morning of July 17th. The market pushed the stock price up to this position again and then fell again. However, the trading volume generated this time was less than the last time, but the stock price still fell. On July 19th, the stock price still fell, but at the close of the market, the stock price had not fallen below the key support position of $4.77, but the problem was that its trading volume further shrank. The trading volume on that day was only half of that of the previous trading day, and the turnover rate was the same, indicating that there was no large capital entering the market at this position to take over the chips sold by the shorts, so $5 did not seem to be the bottom price for the stock price to rebound. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock and try to speculate on the next price trend of the stock. First of all, I think the stock should fall again next, and the reasons have been analyzed above. The key support level of $4.77 may be broken, and then $4.66 will become the first support level that the stock needs to test because there is some relatively large trading volume here. But if the stock price has not rebounded at this level, then the stock price may continue to fall and test the second support level of $4.28, but it is expected that the market price may not reach here this week. Okay, let's take a look at the situation of GameStop stock. First of all, take a look at the 30-minute chart of the stock. In the morning trading of July 1st, we can see that the stock price fell sharply and deeply to $22.30 and then began to rebound strongly. The trading volume generated by this action is very large. There is no doubt that the market does not want the stock price to fall further, and a large amount of capital has entered the market and strongly pulled up the stock price. In the morning trading of July 10th, the bullish force in the market began to pull up the stock price. A large number of orders were traded at this position, pushing the stock price to a higher level, but then the stock price fell back slightly, indicating that the market still encountered some resistance at this position, but the market eventually digested the chips sold by these shorts and pushed the stock price to continue to rise. However, we can see that on July 16th and the morning of July 17th, the market pushed up the stock price rapidly and generated a large trading volume. The stock price began to fall after reaching $29.70. At the end of July 17th and the morning of July 18th, the stock price fell sharply, indicating that the market lost its upward movement at this position and the short sellers tried to suppress the price. On July 19th, the stock fell again by 3.5%. This decline was not large, but we can see that the trading volume on that day was reduced compared with the previous trading day. Most of the transactions on that day still occurred above the closing time. The increase in the stock price at the end of the trading day was not obvious and the trading volume was not large, which seemed to indicate that no large funds had entered the market at the current low level, so the stock price may fall further. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock and try to speculate on the next price trend of the stock. First of all, I think the stock should fall again next, and the reasons have been analyzed above. Because the trading volume on July 10th was large, $24.90 should be the first key support position, which is the current price, but I think it will be broken, so the second key support position is $23.80, and the stock price may test this position this week. Of course, if this position is broken, it will test the next support position of $22.37, which is the lowest price of the stock in the near future, but it is not easy to be broken. It is expected that the market price may not reach here this week. Okay, the above is my analysis of these two stocks. Thank you for watching. If you agree with my point of view, please subscribe to my channel, or if you have different ideas, please leave a message to discuss. I will continue to focus on these two stocks and bring the latest analysis. See you in the next video.